MSXTTLY U2A-L9 adapter is a compact, wireless connectivity solution designed to enhance the user experience of both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in compatible vehicles. Crafted from pure copper, this device offers superior corrosion resistance and conductivity. Key features and benefits. Universal compatibility, works seamlessly with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay systems. Easy installation, simply plug into the vehicle's USB port and follow the on-screen instructions. Compact design, 50% smaller than previous models, offering a more discreet installation. Enhanced connectivity, features an upgraded Wi-Fi module for a more stable and efficient connection. Durable construction, pure copper construction ensures longevity and optimal performance. Technical specifications. Material, pure copper. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, USB. Compatibility, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Note, while the MSXTTLY U2A-L9 offers a convenient wireless solution, it is essential to verify that your vehicle is equipped with either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to ensure compatibility.